Jesus said, "In the last days there will be wars and rumor of wars." In this present day we live in, we see that very thing happening via the news media or precious loved ones who have given their lives for our country. But are these physical wars the only ones that are being fought? Scripture says, "We wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places." The biggest battle lies in the minds and hearts of mankind. So let us take the whole armor of God, that we may be able to withstand in the evil day, being changed from glory to glory as we yield to the Lord, walking by faith and not by sight, standing ready, doing all we know, and continuing to believe.
I just got one question. Where my soldiers at?